As you make your way up the Avetime Mountains, you will come to a peaceful little community, Amedzofe. It's the highest habitable place in Ghana, sitting at over 2,000 feet above sea level in the whole West District of the Volta region of Ghana. The locals say the place is over 200 years old. With a population of about 5,000, the people here are mainly farmers and artisans. The stunning landscapes here make this one of the most beautiful places in Ghana. A prominent feature, towering into the clouds, is Mount Gemi, among the tallest mountains in Ghana. At the peak of the mountain is an iron cross, said to have been erected by German missionaries in 1939. It reportedly was also used as a communication antenna during World War II. As you head into the valley, past steep terrain, huge trees, farms, and down a flight of over 200 steps, you'll come to the stunning Ote Waterfalls. The Ote Falls gets its source from 3 rivers upstream and is about 80 meters tall. It is fullest during the rainy season in Ghana. A unique hallmark here is a canopy walkway that runs right by the waterfalls. This is a first in the Volta region. The guides call it a private waterfall because of the thick cover provided by the trees and rocks.
Matete ono mavivie Amedzofe mane ono mavivie ki ono kaka no kanmono apete ni abale he be pome he mechi ki dolo so ma dimeni atete ma likes mi ze Amedzofe mano me ni tolo mano me ai no si patwe kite wamosi wedepete ayo gi wamosi o kefe otakuwe o wasaku gba me wa fesa momo wa do sa se fine mosquito kula ota nemo wata so air condition this is mari akeblo wede gi sanle air condition alo bi san fan gi wa pe gba me lo so me fus ni atete onu o ma gi mo ma de meno lo so ma permis se ya tete se mettre ege alo ma permis tro holo alo ma permis tro koko se ma de meni o ma tete kala gi e pedi fine he ba no kaka lo be ba ma no me ba fe bi o ma me ezekua le si kide ba ku seto.
Whenever you do decide to visit Amedzofe, there is no doubt you'll be filled with wonder. The weather, the mountains, the falls, and lovely people await you. Visit Amedzofe. Visit Ghana.